Ano ba ang sekreto? Bakit ang mga mayayaman lalong yumayaman? Gusto mong malaman? It is how they use their free time. But you know what? I'm gonna show you something. So there's this company called Sitaw at meron din silang app. So ito yung akin. Naka-register ako at nasa 553,000 na yung nabenta natin. So paano ba mag-register? Simple lang. You just have to visit their website, sitaw.com. At sa pinakababa, click mo lang yung apply now. And then you just have to fill out all the information needed. Once registered, you just have to choose the products that you want to sell in your shop. So ito yung sekreto. Sa tuwing may free time ako, binubuksan ko na lang yung Sitaw app. At nagche-check ako ng order because most of the time, yung free time natin, ginagamit natin sa mali. Ito yung advantage ni Sitaw. Gagastos ka lang kapag sure na may order ka na. Start selling and enjoy earning with Sitaw. See you soon.